Welcome to another one of my adventures. I'm down at one of my favourite rivers in New South Wales. It's just a delightful place. I'm going to a different area though this time, so I have had a couple of camps, a couple of videos from this river, or even rivers that go into this river. So yeah, looking forward to this. It's going to be a quick overnighter. Doing something different today. I'm just camping a different style, so we'll see how that goes, and stay tuned to see how I go with that. Also, as you can probably see, it's fairly overcast, and it's going to rain a bit later on according to the forecast. Stay tuned, and nice to have you along. Alright, might have found my spot. It's nice open spot here for what I'm planning on doing. Yeah, flat. There's a bit of relatively easy access to the water there. Absolutely nothing above me. And actually this is perfect for what I want to try this time. Absolutely perfect. So I'm going to get myself set up. Okay, it's starting to rain. Better get a move on. Right, let me show you around. Yeah, this I don't have sand pegs, so I've had to use the rocks to hold them in. But yeah, that's quite spacious in there. I'll get myself set up in there in a sec. yeah, busy time. Anyway, got myself sorted. Yeah, it was a last minute decision to bring this tarp. It's yeah, when I saw the rain, the forecast has been that it's going to be wetter and wetter every time I looked at it. So yeah, I thought I'd bring that so that at least I've got somewhere to sit rather than just in the tent. So that hopefully should keep me dry and comfortable. And I've put as much firewood as I probably need under the tarp. Set myself up with a yeah, bit of an A-frame and I'm ready for dinner. I'll set up the fire later. So yeah, it's going to make for a pleasant evening in there. And yeah, in here all pretty organised, sort of. Getting little snippets of blue sky up here, and quite dark clouds as well. So I'm not too sure what we're in for, to be honest. But yeah, at least we're ready for anything. So kind of yeah, as well set up as I can possibly be, I think. So I'm going to get some water and then I'm just going to chill out and relax. It's about 20 to 4 and I'm just going to relax for a little while because it's been a bloody busy time. I'm sure people who do this will know that actually yeah, setting up camp and getting things organised is actually quite a busy time. So I'm glad I got here fairly early. Yeah, really pleased with this spot actually. Really pleased. And the birds are just beautiful. Right, it's beer o'clock. So I don't know how you pronounce that. Presumably it's Zytho Brewing. Actually, it's a yeah, really nice beer. So I just tried it last week. So looking forward to this. Cheers. Yeah, that's really nice. Got quite a strong taste actually. It's 5.4, so relatively high alcohol. But yeah, if you like a beer with a bit of flavour to it, that's a good one. So for tonight for dinner, I'm going to have there's some leftover ossobuco. So looking forward to that. So I'm also going to have that with some fettuccine. So that's why I put the water on. It's still a little bit frozen, but that should be nice and hearty for a winter's camping. It's already boiling. Cheers. So these bark bits are quite handy to have. So when you take a pot off the boil or off the fire and put it on sand, sometimes the sort of tar from the fire can make it sticky at the bottom, and then you put it in the sand and then all the sand sticks to the tar. So yeah, this will avoid that, which is pretty handy. Right, looking good. Right, how nice is that? That's so nice. Well, the rain seems to be holding off, which is quite nice. I'm actually inclined to sleep in here tonight. Yeah, I'm seriously considering it, which is a bit of a shame because I've set all that up, but if it's going to be like this, even if it rains, yeah, I think I might do it, you know. I did want to sort of practice setting up a tent like that, but to be honest, I thought there'd be a lot more room inside it. I don't actually like sleeping with sort of things too close to my face, so which is kind of the way it would end up in there. So, don't know. I'll give it some thought before I go to bed. Anyway, that dinner was really delicious. It was really nice, and yeah, this fire is nice. It's actually probably a bit too warm. Actually, this fire. The temperature is quite pleasant. It's very dark, but there will be it was full moon about 3 nights ago, so it'll lighten up when that moon comes out. Although it is overcast, so I can't see any stars whatsoever. Yeah, it's as you probably gather, it's really calm. There's almost no breeze, and it's just really pleasant. Beautiful evening. Morning. What a beautiful backdrop this is. Yeah, it was a reasonably eventful night. I started sleeping under the just my canopy tarp. Decided to do that, and then about 4 o'clock in the morning, it started raining quite heavily, and there was quite a bit of wind sort of pushing the rain under the tarp. So given that I sort of set up the tarp tent, I decided to change houses and moved into the tarp tent in the middle of the night, which was yeah, fine. If you know, if I hadn't had the tarp tent, I obviously just would have lowered the sides and got on with it that way. But yeah, given that I had the tarp tent all set up, I thought I might as well move in. And yeah, other than that, had a pretty sound sleep and woke up to these wonderful birds and the lyrebirds doing their thing, which is yeah, just a beautiful way to wake up. And yeah, it's yeah, another peaceful morning, and yeah, obviously the rain stopped, which is quite nice. And yeah, just listening to the birds, it's been absolutely amazing. Certainly the river has dropped a lot since last time I was here. Right, let's get on with some breakfast. I saw a few pictures of people using this stove, and yeah, they use this method of just feeding bigger sticks through here, which is actually a much better way of dealing with this. So I've pinched that idea. So just once you get it going, you just keep feeding these bigger sticks. Means you're not constantly stoking this fire. It's actually really, really handy. Yeah, I'm not too sure why I bought 3 eggs, but anyway, I did. And they'll keep me going till dinner time, really. This is going to be my lunch as well. No trip would be complete without at least one new piece of kit, and as small as it is, this is my new piece of kit for this trip. This is a little sort of reusable coffee bag. Got this same thing everywhere. Pep up. Beautiful. Cheers. So nice. Even with the odd gritty bit of sand. Right, all cleaned up and ready to go. So I've left no trace. Left nothing but my footprints, but I've also tried to get rid of a few of those as well. So yeah, I've got a very sandy and wet mess to deal with when I get home. It's all my gear is just covered in sand and is damp. So that'll be fun. I know what I'll be doing for the rest of the afternoon. Yeah, thank you for coming along, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. Yeah, it's just nice to get out, and it's just this really peaceful spot. And yeah, the birds are just something else. It's yeah, just beautiful just listening to them and just sitting down and yeah, just taking it all in, which is yeah, a lot more fun than staring at a computer, which I'll be doing about this time tomorrow. All right, so I will see you next time. So yeah, thanks again for coming along, and take care. See ya.